Welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2017 on a 67 registered Peugeot Boxer. Now this is the L3, so it's long wheelbase H2, high roof, professional, and this is the 2 litre 130 brake horsepower van. Now as you can see, it's in black metallic paintwork, which is the factory option. Now this van we supplied new to the first keeper through our leasing department, and they're on a 4-year vehicle update, so this has just come back into us. Very nice mileage indeed. I think it's about 34, but I'll show you around it. High roof, so if you are requiring something that does swallow up the cargo, this is the van for you. Metallic black paint, as you can see down the sides there, lovely fresh sides. Now the vehicle owner, or the last keeper of this, they were a drinks company, so this vehicle has been used to deliver drinks to pubs, clubs and shops, etc. So it's had a very nice life. Now the professional comes fully kitted out, so we've got parking sensors on the rear. Now if you're a driver that spends a long hours in this vehicle, we've got satellite navigation, electric windows, electric door mirrors, we have air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, a very nice van to spend the day in. 2 litre, so you've got ample MPG out of that engine. It's 130 brake horsepower, so very good on fuel. Having a look inside, you'll see that we've got a lovely clean. As I say, these guys were always well presented because they're delivering to other manufacturers and shops. So the interior is in superb condition. Take a look at that seat there. Very nice indeed. It smells fresh. The roof lining, etc., is all factory grey. Nice cabin indeed. We've got the support armrest there for the driver, and then the board which you can put your stuff on, cup holders, plenty of them on this. Electric door mirrors, electric windows, easy to wash out rubber floor mats, etc. As you can see there, we get the remote key and a spare key. Now these vehicles have the integrated satellite navigation system, so no additional plug-ons on the windscreen. Air conditioning, as you can see, and then traction control. Cup holders down there. The sensor falls away, and then obviously you've got your third facing seat, or front facing seat. 6-speed manual transmission. DAB radio, media player, so you can have your music on your phone if you like podcasts. As I say, it's a TomTom satellite navigation system that fitted in these, so again, easy to use. Every manufacturer really uses them now, or Garmin. Multifunction steering wheel, so when you're driving along you can answer the phone on the right hand side. You can adjust your radio, etc., and your voice activation on the left. Cruise control if you're doing lots of motorway, stick it on at 70, and very easy vehicle. 34,068 miles with an average MPG of 33.6 MPG, which, you know, that is really great. I'm sure you agree. Very nice vehicle to drive these. As I say, we have had them in our fleet. Car transporters, probably one of the best vans on the market. They swallow up every form of cargo. Facelift vehicle, we get a side loading door to the passenger side, so I'll open that baby up for you, and then we have the anti-slip floor, bit of wear on the bulkhead there, but not to worry. Stepping in here now, as you can see, fully ply lined. Twin rear barn doors again, they're also fully ply lined. Sills are all in great order. Bodywork's in great order on this van, even though it is a metallic vehicle. Would suit anybody's livery on this. Back doors open. Parking sensors in that back bumper. But again, a huge load lugging space. Anybody can step up into it very easily, as you can see there, and then back out again. Obstacle course for the kids at weekend as well. But what can I say? We've got the book pack there. First services at the Citroën Peugeot main dealer. We will service it before it leaves Alpha Motors in Wigan. 2 keys. We've known it since it was new. It's 2 owners on the V5. The first being a pre-registered by Peugeot, and then supplied by ourselves 4 years ago, and then taken in on a new vehicle with ourselves through our leasing department, and then this one could then sit on anybody's fleet very nicely indeed. Give us a call in Wigan. I'm Graham. We've got Dom and we've got Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help in any way. If you've got a part exchange, we can give you a price over the phone. If you're not VAT registered but need finance, we can include the VAT in the finance quotation. So, have a look at our Facebook page, have a look at our reviews on Auto Trader, Google and Facebook. We've been in business now for over 40 years, supplying quality used cars and vans. So, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.